my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning friend, thanks so much for coming back. I'm so excited to have every single one of you here. Today I am going to be sharing with you a Marshalls and TJ Maxx haul. Guys, I was so excited about all the stuff I found at these two stores this week. I couldn't resist sharing it. It's not a ton, but it's enough to keep me busy for a while. So, real quick before we get started, guys, I am working on getting my subscriber count up to 800 because I have put together a fantastic 800 subscriber giveaway, guys. So if you're not already a member of my YouTube family, if you would consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner, I would love the opportunity to get to know you better. And also, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would greatly appreciate that. It helps to let YouTube know that you guys do enjoy my content and encourages them to promote our videos. So in return, we can continue to grow our YouTube family and get closer and closer every day to that 800 subscriber giveaway. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. All right, guys, let's get started on this haul. I'm so excited. Let's start with TJ Maxx because it's the smaller one. I don't know about the TJ Maxx's in your area. When I went this time, I felt like it was really picked over. I was hoping to find a lot more than I did, but the stuff that I did find, guys, I'm excited about. First things first, I've got a Body Prescriptions Hello Fall Exfoliating Body Scrub, and it is Vanilla Spice. I love using body scrubs. This one doesn't have a super strong smell. I just noticed that the seal is off the top and I can't remember if I did that so I could smell it or if that happened in the store. That's kind of gross. I don't see any fingerprints in it, so I'm assuming I did. I just forgot. But it doesn't have a real strong smell, but I'm guessing once I start rubbing it on my skin, I'm going to smell it a lot more. But it's got big, thick chunks of sugar scrub in there, so I am anticipating that it will be extremely, that it'll be super exfoliating. And you guys know, especially in the fall, skin tends to dry out and we need that exfoliation and moisturizing. So, ooh, that's really sticky. So hopefully that will work. Next for skincare, I've got more masks. Guys, I think I have a face mask edition because every time I see a new face mask, I have to get it. I have so many face masks right now, it's not even funny. Not even funny. If I haven't already, I am going to be doing a Mask Monday series on this channel, so keep your eyes open for that. But I gotta start using up these masks. I do use a mask like 3 or 4 times a week, but I've got so many, it's insane. But I saw this one. I've got rose, I've got gold, and then down here is cucumber, and it comes with a really cute little silicone applicator. This was $5.99. I couldn't pass it up. Could not pass it up. Next, I've got an anti-aging microneedle derma roller. I've seen a lot of people use these, and when I saw it for $6.99, I had to try it. Let me pull it out of the case and show you. It does come in a plastic case, and what it is a facial roller. And if you look really, really close, it's got super duper tiny little needles on it. So you roll it in all directions over your face and it kind of opens up your skin. It doesn't tear it open. They're not massive needles and there's blood all over the place or anything like that. Just kind of pricks it a little bit and it allows your skin to absorb your serums and your moisturizers better. It's supposed to help, like I said, it's anti-aging. It's supposed to plump the skin, reduce fine lines and all this means fine lines. Reduce fine lines and all the good stuff. So really excited to give this a try. There's the case. Next, I've got some more cheese straight guard. I'm really in the market for some kind of heat protectant for my hair. I don't think this is what I was looking for though. I want something that I can put on my hair, whether it's wet or dry. And this, after reading the instructions, because if y'all have ever bought anything from Chi, their print is so darn tiny. I couldn't read it. I still can't read it. But I did catch enough of it to discover after I bought it that it has to be put on wet hair. I want something that can go on wet or dry hair that smells good and isn't going to make my hair crunchy. So if you all know of anything, please leave your suggestions down in the comment because I'm at a loss. I don't even know. So anyways, I will give that a try. I mean, maybe it'll be good enough when I put it on my wet hair that I won't need to add anything when I straighten my hair. I don't know. It's cool. It's cool. We're good. We're easy going. We got this. All right. And then last but not least from TJ Maxx, I've got this lighted mirror. I've been in the market for one of these for a while, and I wasn't quite sure what kind of mirror I wanted. I knew I wanted lights. I knew I wanted a magnifying mirror, but I didn't know how big or what size. And I knew that when I saw the right one, I would know it was it. And I did. This is going to be perfect for what I want it for. It is very compact. You can hang it on the wall if you want to. It's got some screw holes right here. Check this out. It opens up like a, what are these called? It opens up like a compact. I don't want to show you all the mirrors, so I'm going to blind you. So it's got a mirror up here on top. This is a magnified mirror. And then down here, sorry, I'm trying not to blind you guys, I really am. It's got the lighted mirror. And you can open it so that it's like this. Does that make sense without blinding you guys? I just thought that was so cool. And then when I'm done with it, because we're very low on space in this house, I just fold it up and I can tuck it on my shelf until I want it next time. So it is, the magnified mirror is 5 times magnification, which I know isn't a whole lot, but it's enough for what I want to do with it. So really excited to have found that. Let's get into our Marshalls haul next. First thing I got, and I gotta talk kind of quiet, are these Champion slides. I got these for my son, and they're gonna be a Christmas gift. How early in the year do you guys start buying Christmas gifts for your kids? I just feel like I need to start buying all the small knick-knacky stuff like these slides as soon as I see them, and then the big stuff closer to Christmas. So yeah, it's August and Chaos Jenn is already Christmas shopping. Imagine that. But I couldn't turn these down. He loves Champion. He's got massive feet that are size 12 for my 15-year-old. And these were only $19.99. So how could I turn these down? Next, I bought myself some no-show socks. I just thought these were super cute. They're nice and thick and comfy. So, and the thing about these is they're really low cut, so it looks like you're not wearing any socks at all. I've gotten no-show socks before they go up to the ankles, but these stay inside my shoes, so I love them. I've got some eyebrow razors to use with my magnifying mirror that I just got. I'm really excited to try these out. I've used them in the past, but I wasn't real big on skincare and actually paying attention to what I was doing to my eyebrows like I am now, so I'm excited to give these a try again. Speaking of eyebrows, I needed some more eyebrow gel. This is Light Brunette Brown Twist by BC, and it says, "You think I'm listening, but I'm really just doing your brows in my head." That's awesome. That's what that looks like, and it is an eyebrow gel. I've never used an eyebrow gel before. I've always used a pencil, so I'm really excited to give this a try. We'll see what happens. So this was only $2.99, so if it doesn't work out, I'm not out a big chunk of change. Next is another Christmas present. I got this for my daughter Ava. It is a Miss Piggy facial palette. It was $9.99. It's by Ciate London. It was so stinking cute. How could I not get it? The name of this palette is All About Moi, which, you know, Miss Piggy is infamous for saying that. Look at the front of it. Super, super cute. And this is what it looks like. It does have a mirror, so I'm going to cover that up with the box. And then there are the colors. So Ava's 13 years old, so I feel like these would be okay for her. She doesn't go too crazy with her makeup, and I feel like blush, if you have to go crazy, is a fairly safe thing to go crazy with. So yeah, 2 Christmas presents, check. And then the next thing I found were these tea boxes. I've got 3 of them. I've got blue and I've got red. I have so many different boxes of tea up in my cabinet that it like takes up the entire top shelf. So I'm hoping with these organizers, I can pull out my tea, fill them up, and just take up one side of the cabinet with the tea bags in these boxes instead of all the tea boxes spread out over the entire top shelf. Because y'all have seen my kitchen. It's super duper tiny and I need all the space I can get. So I hope those do the trick. If not, how much did we pay for these? These were $4.99 a piece. So again, not out a huge chunk of change. The next thing Mr. Chaos picked out. This is a Harvest Pumpkin Candle by Redleaf Home. Guys, look, it's got my truck on it. No, it's not a red truck, but that doesn't matter this year. Any color classic truck is cool. It's got a really cute wooden lid with a pumpkin on it. And the smell is fantastic. It's got a very light pumpkin spice smell, as well as like some apple spice maybe. It's really yummy smelling. And this was $6.99. And then last but not least, another fall item for the Chaos household. And actually it's mainly for me. But I found 2 skinny syrups. This is an old classic, pumpkin spice. I had this last year. I love it. I just add it to regular black coffee that has a little bit of fat-free half and half in it, and you've got a pumpkin spice coffee on your hands. And this is a new one. This is called Maple Donut. I have not had this before. Both of these guys are sugar-free, calorie-free, 0 points on Weight Watchers if you're curious about that kind of thing. But I love skinny syrups, and I have been looking forward to the fall flavors for so long. So, all right, guys, that is it for my Marshalls and TJ Maxx haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. What's the best thing you guys have ever found at TJ Maxx or Marshalls? Let me know down in the comments, so maybe I'll have some more stuff to scout out next time I go. Or give me another reason to go, because I don't want to miss out on anything. All right. I'm talking. I could talk about these finds forever. I will let you go. Again, if you wouldn't mind doing the thumbs up, subscribe thing, guys, I would really appreciate it. And until next time, guys, keep smiling. Bye.